I want to say it's doing something, but that's just...
That's kind of the problem. The bearing is absorbing the impacts.
Odin,
Yes.
there's a strange man underneath your car.
Yes.
Your Unimog.
Fixing a rope to it.
Sorry guys.
Where are we, Tom?
We are at an event for chronically diseased children, and we'll be playing a static anchor point for a zipline today. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Something completely different. Today we are joining Ready to Go outdoors to bring joy and create memories during één dag niet ziek, meaning one day not sick. It's an event for children so they can feel one day not sick. We are here for display and being well an anchor point. But of course we had to try out the zip line ourselves, and we even got the approval of the local police. And they sure had fun. After that, we stopped filming and made sure that the children were making fun memories and having an adventurous day. Good morning!
Good morning. It's misty today.
Misty Acres. It's yesterday we had a lot of fun at the charity event, and today it's back to the old grind again. So Odin, what you doing?
I am going to replace my water pump.
Well, water pump core to be exact.
Yes. Because, well, I was trying to tension my belt, and then I noticed by tensioning my belt the bearings of the water pump were
Yeah, the water pump pulley started moving. So that's not what you want.
no.
So the squealing belt noises, that was because, well, you couldn't tension the belts, because that would ruin the water pump even more. Great. So we're going to replace the core.
Also, oh no, wait, this, yeah, no, never mind.
Also, no, never mind. Quality filming here.
Yes.
So that's the culprit right there. There it is. Yeah, there it is. So first you have the tensioner over there. This one, need to undo those two. Give the first belt a little slack. Then we're going to do the same thing with the alternator. A smaller dynamo. Let's use a let's not.
I found this somewhere.
Let's not. Have you ever seen this?
Yeah, I've seen
Have
them
you ever
before.
seen this? This is a ratchet
I have seen them before.
key thing.
Ratchet did this thing.
Yeah.
But
Also notice the burn marks on this one,
well,
because
what burn marks? I don't see any burn marks.
someone shorted out a thing or two. Happens. So if you undo the top part there, you should always also unscrew the bottom part.
Bottom bolt.
They're missing a nut there. That's
No, the nut is under the mark.
must have lost that one somewhere. At least you don't have to undo that one. The mock did it for you.
So these are the old style pumps. You can't see it because this bracket is here, but there's like a little fill plug underneath here. I will show you later on. You need to put oil in there, and there's halfway there's a drain plug, and when it comes out of the drain plug, it's full, like it's halfway full. Now if you don't do that, if you forget that at some point, not naming any names, your bearings will, well, you get this.
It's not a water pump anymore, it's a wobbly pump. Let's see if we can. How is it not leaking?
I think it is leaking actually.
By
the looks of it.
Yeah, it looks like it's near leaking. Yeah, good luck doing that with the belt off.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Never mind.
I'm strong.
Yes, you. Yes, sure.
I'm a strong boy.
3 hours later. Now you can actually see the filling. There's the filler bolt right there. That's where you filled your oil, and on the side that's your spy thingy. So you fill it on top, and if it's leaking out of here, then you can stop filling. Yes, after lots of tapping.
It is out.
Yay!
Yay. So this is the new design. It's basically the same, but you don't have any fill plugs. It runs in grease, and also there's a date on there. Yes, that's made this year.
So this is the newest part ever on the Unimog.
Yes.
It's only 4 months old.
I'm not sure why this little cutout is in here, because the old one has that. There's that little cutout. The new one also has that. But I'm a bit confused because there's no on the housing itself. It doesn't have like somewhere that should fall into. So what does it?
We'll just put it back the way we found it, and it'll probably be okay. So after lots of scratching and cleaning, surface is now nice and flat and clean. So I guess you're ready to put in the new one.
Yes.
There it is.
I also put new copper washers on the bolts. So putting one bolt in to keep the gasket in place. This hole should be on top. There goes the gasket. Look at it shiny. So shiny.
So that part is way too new for it to be on this Unimog.
I'm happy they I've been noticing this that they're slowly starting to produce parts again.
Yeah, the reproduction parts are being
slowly, very slowly, but I've been seeing them popping up, like this pump.
Yeah, it's aftermarket.
But it's better than an old one.
Hopefully. We will
well, there's one way to find out.
yeah.
So some people reuse the old copper rings. The new copper rings don't cost that much, and you just old copper rings will maybe leak and do annoying stuff. I would just say, just get. I got this box of several sizes of copper rings. Just buy a box like that. It's always handy.
True. But if you're in a pinch, and you have to reuse the old copper washer because, well, you don't have one and you're in the middle of nowhere, you can always heat them up, cool them down very fast, and they will be pliable again. It will soften the copper up.
Yeah, that's true.
And that makes them reusable. Putting the belts back on, tensioning everything, and then fill it up with coolant and see if it leaks. Plan?
Yes.
Plan. It's running. Doesn't seem like there's water pouring out. So, first signs are okay. So, new water pump is fixed, fitted. No leaks.
No.
The only leak is in the sky.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
other than that,
It worked fine. So we've been to Denmark with it. So
yeah, the video of us replacing the water pump was like 6 months ago. That we made
no,
that.
not 6 months.
That was
In September.
yeah, that was before Denmark. But we kind of forgot to film an ending to that, so that's why you'll be watching it right now. Yes. So that's all on the water pump. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Yes. Go watch some other videos of us, of course.
Yeah, preferably. Do what you want though, because
Yes.
we're not the boss of you, but you know. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.